Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to cancel Uber One. We will also put links in the description below for similar food delivery apps for you to sign up, in case if you're interested. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website ubereats.com. Then click on Login. Now, enter your phone number or email. Then click on Continue. For verification, a 4-digit code will be sent to the phone number associated to your account. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Next, enter your password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Uber One. Click on Uber One. At the upper right part of this page, you will see an option for Manage Membership. Click on Manage Membership. A pop-up window will appear from which you will see an option for End Membership. Click on End Membership. Next, select the reason for canceling the membership. Choose from the options provided, then click on Continue. You will also be asked if you wish to pause the membership instead. Since this video is to cancel the membership, click on No Thanks. And that's how you cancel Uber One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.